gents, right here at JJ's Arm Drop out here at Jake's Dragway, Bolton, Alabama. Well, boys, we just sitting here waiting in line patiently, moving up a car at a time. We're in Jake's Drag Strip today, down in Moulton, Alabama. Scott and Brian, all of them are way in front of us in the line. So we're gonna get in, go park on the spectator side, and go get the car ready.
Lanes are open, and our first pass will go down at 1 o'clock.
20 more subscribers, you get a sneak peek. Sorry.
You do too, John. Hold it on.
All right, so 7:30, just got done with shift draw. We thought we was doing it at 5. They did the daily driver at 5, and then they went to small tire shift draw at 7:30, and they just started running the first round of daily driver. Brian got 22nd pair. Got a purple Fox body, nitrous car. Guy said it's the fifth pass on the car, so no, I don't think we're scared of anything here. So we're gonna play the waiting game. I'm assuming it'll probably be about an hour and a half before we do first round. It's starting to get cold. Pray for me. Might die of hypothermia. Not into bed, but we're gonna, hopefully try to keep the car warm and get up there and do what we do. So pick back up when we're in the lanes. Round 1, baby. Finally, it's like almost 9 o'clock at night. That's who we're racing. 22nd pair, just waiting. Round 2 coming at you, first pair down. Nerves of steel. right, guys. So you saw it. Here's what we think happened. There was some wheelies going on. Something came down and hit the track, and there's concrete dust. We believe that caused us to lose traction. You can hear the in-car video. It sounds, the turbo noises that you hear is not because it's making a ton of boost. It's only on 8 pounds out the back. It's because it was spinning. The car's quiet. It's hard to hear the exhaust, but you can hear those turbos on the GoPro. So obviously passenger side rear wheel lost more traction than the driver's side. Pointed the car into the right lane. Brian knew he was out in front. Didn't know where the other guy was. So he got out of the other guy's way. And it just barely kissed the wall. So hell of a job driving. Scott built a hell of a car. The turbo took most of the impact. What the car needs is a bumper, a fender, and a turbo. That's it. I wouldn't be surprised if it's fixed by Friday. Literally, I think the only thing they got to do is wait for a turbo to come in. Before we even left the track, he already knew where the bumper and the fender was. So, do me a favor, go follow those guys over at Indian Outlaw Racing on Facebook. They post all the races we're going to. They post pictures of the car from start to where it is now. They posted the damage report down today. It's a really good page. Go follow them. But yeah, they'll get it fixed, and we'll be back out of the next one as soon as we hear of another one coming up. If it was this weekend and there's a race I wanted to go to, it'd be fixed, guaranteed. So appreciate you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.